This MFAA convention video is proudly brought to you by Macquarie. In this video, we hear how valuable networking can be at the MFAA National Convention.
Well, this industry is all about networking. There's certainly a lot of, especially with the Expo Mart, going out, meeting with the BDMs, meeting with your business partners.
It's the one event that we hold as an industry every year, and it's the biggest one.
It's a great opportunity to immerse yourself in the industry, to get a really good feel of who are the lender BDMs, build relationships with them.
I like the convention for many things. One, I get to catch up with brokers across Australia that I see once a year. It's a great way to network with the different industry partners on different levels. So, you know, your local region, like your local BDMs, but also your state and your national level managers as well. You get to put faces to names, so that's fantastic.
It's the opportunity to be visible. I strongly believe that if you're out at conventions, it's not just about sort of hiding in the corner behind your laptop. It's getting out there, talking to people, getting to know who's doing what, and just being informed.
When you meet the other people, and then they will talk about their situation. And from there, it's something that valuable that you can never learn from books and from online or any course.
We all know that there's ups and downs with loans. Sometimes things get processed late, or they get missed completely, or you miss something. And so there's always these little bits and bobs here where things aren't always perfect.
Because you build up relationships with your contacts and your lender partners, and then when you have a problem with a loan, you've created that relationship and they're willing to help you out.
For a lot of people, it's probably the only chance they do get to meet their lenders. And if they don't take that time to do it, it's always just going to be a phone conversation. So take that opportunity and go see those people.
Because they won't know you from a bar of soap, and a lot of people working who join the industry just think that it's filling in a piece of paper and sending it in. It's actually a lot more than that. And if you can get a relationship with some of the good BDMs, they will help you get over and bring up to speed.
The amount of times you'll be at the Expo Mart and you'll bump into someone you've been meaning to catch up with, you know, for 2 months, and then you can actually meet and have a coffee and run through areas that you want to discuss with them. So it's a valuable networking opportunity, certainly.
And when you get to know people better, especially at the lenders or other referrers, whoever you deal with, you work better together.
So that it goes in once and you don't have to work it 3 or 4 or 5 times, because every time you send it in, it puts a mark on your client's credit file, which is what you do not want.
You get to see all the other brokers, you might get to see some well-known names, and just go up and say hi. Look, everyone is a person at the end of the day, so go and introduce yourself.
Putting yourself out of your comfort zone and not being afraid to go up and speak to people.
So I'm out there looking to talk to people, about what I do, but also for them to know what I do. And so I've met a lot of people via that way.
And you never know who you're going to bump into. Just say hi to somebody and something might happen.
So the convention last year created an opportunity for me to expand my business with a real estate firm, and that actual initial conversation did actually happen at one of the networking events.
So it's building up those spheres of influence, and you do that not only at the convention, but you also do it in your everyday life.
The networking that was done at that convention has been a real benefit to my business this year.
And it's a one venue where everyone is there, so it should be a must on every broker's agenda, I would have thought.
Take lots of business cards and get ready for a lot of networking.